Okay, traders, we have the $360 calls on ISRG, robotic surgery. All right, the low was 30 cents, and we bought, let's take a look, 1,999 contracts. The high was 757. You would have got in here. We paid 60 cents, and we got out at $7.20. We bought 100 contracts, and we made a killing on ISRG. Now, let's move to the daily stock chart. We featured this one yesterday. Let me show you right here. On our new website, it's posted right here, ISRG yesterday. That was a $19 breakout. Today's breakout was even much higher. This is turbo option trading. It's got everything that you're going to want to need right here. I can just tell you that right now. We just launched that new site last night. Let's take a look at that super gap. You're not in these trades. You can be in these trades by getting in the live trading room. You can believe what you see. After 35 years, we've been trading this option market since the day that we can remember. And the only thing that we remember is how to get the big gains, how to get the order entry, and knowing when to exit. Change your trading in 2024. This bull is very strong and you're missing a ton of money. You're not in these trades. You will be getting in these trades with us in that live trading room, and you will make the money. If you are in this stock market to make money, then you are here at the right place, at the right time, and at the right moment when these big flyers are popping. $34 gap higher.